Hello, my dear students. Now today we are going to consider one more chapter, new chapter from the partnership unit, chapter change in profit sharing ratio, and that is admission of a new partner. So here we have to know mainly the major step of this chapter, accounting steps, and we will get the similarity between change in profit sharing ratio. Now the chapter admission of a new partner, chapter name admission of a new partner, admission of a new partner. In Partnership Act 1932, there is a provision for admission of a new partner as per the requirement of the existing partnership business. So when a person want to take admission, that person has to fulfill two basic things. He has to contribute the capital, proportionate capital, and another thing, that proportionate share of goodwill. Capital contribution is compulsory. Without capital contribution, no admission is possible. But that goodwill it is optional. If goodwill paid, then their capital will be intact. If unable to pay the goodwill money, then automatically the invested capital of the new partner will be decreased by passing some adjustment entry. That we will learn in that step 3. Now, the necessary steps here, accounting steps for this chapter admission of a new partner, major steps, major accounting steps, major accounting steps, step 1, calculation of mainly sacrificing ratio. Shortly we will use SR, GR, and this time extra NR also you have to calculate. Now in step 2, valuation of goodwill under different method. Valuation of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill under different method. Valuation of goodwill under different method. There are altogether 5 methods we know, like simple average profit method, weighted average profit method, super profit method, capitalization of average profit method, capitalization of super profit method. So they are the same. We are getting similarity from chapter 2. Third step, treatment of goodwill. Treatment of goodwill. Whether new partner able to contribute his proportionate share of goodwill or not. So on that basis, when new partner able to contribute, unable to contribute, so like that time we have to know the treatment of goodwill in this chapter. Treatment of goodwill. Here also some method are there, like simple average profit method. Here the premium method, memorandum method, private payment method. So like that way, elimination method, altogether 4 methods are there which you have to learn newly. Step 4, opening revaluation account. Opening revaluation account. Opening revaluation account. At the time of admission of a new partner, the assets and liabilities value can be changed, which you have to consider by opening this account, that is called revaluation account. Another name of that is called profit and loss adjustment account. So opening revaluation account, it is also important. Next step, step 5, opening new partners, means altogether opening partners capital account including new partner. Opening partners capital account. Opening partners capital account. Including new partner. Opening new balance sheet, that is revised balance sheet. Opening new balance sheet. That is called revised balance sheet after admission of the new partner. They are the common 6 steps we have to know to learn the chapter details, but some extra treatment is there. So that is called miscellaneous treatment. Miscellaneous treatment. Miscellaneous treatment also you have to know. For example, hidden goodwill, capital adjustment, hidden goodwill, the goodwill which is directly not provided in the question on the basis of capital adjustment which have to do. So that is why calculation as well as treatment of hidden goodwill, capital adjustment treatment, capital adjustment, on the basis of new partner contribution, on the basis of new partner capital, on the basis of new partner capital. Sometimes it may happen that old partner directly not say the amount of new partner's capital. Thus, hidden of new partner capital, that is also proportionately you have to calculate. So missing of new partner capital, another way called hidden capital of new partner. Hidden capital of new partner. So they are the calculation as well as treatment are there in case of miscellaneous, under the heading miscellaneous. So after learning all the steps, we can solve any type of problem from this chapter, and this is a very important chapter in partnership unit. If we go through the last few question paper, we will see that 8 marks question are there, one from company, another from admission, most of the time. So therefore we have to take utmost care to learn this chapter. Now for short period of time we are going to explain a little bit SR GR. sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio for understanding. Step 1, explanation of step 1. That is calculation of SR, GR and NR. For taking one example, so there is a whole partnership and there are two partners. A, partner B. The ratio, equal ratio, means half A, half B. So we can write here A is to B, 1 is to 1 under old ratio. Now, as per need of the partnership business, they invite to take admission of a new partner, that is C. C also interested and he would able to fulfill the requirement like capital contribution as well as share of goodwill money contribution, both of the amount paid by C, incoming partner. So admission is allowed. Now C is getting 1/3 share of profit. So what changes will be there in new partnership form? When it is a new partnership form, well, what changes it will be there? First of all, we have to give C's share. First of all, we have to give C's share. Means here C is a new partner who enters. C is a new partner who enters. How much share? C is a new partner, enter, and 1/3 share he acquired from A and B. Well, here we know the always total 1 out of 1 first C will get 1/3. So what is the remaining? So 1 minus 1/3. 1 minus 1/3. That is 2/3. So this portion is 2/3. And this 2/3 amount, like this portion is 2/3. And this 2/3 amount will distribute the old partner in their old existing ratio. So if you see that how much share of A and how much share of B after surrendering 1/3 to C, now A's share will be 2/3 into half or existing 1/3. If you calculate, B also same way, 2/3 into half, that is 1/3. Means now the share of A and B, which was old, it was half half, now it is coming down to one third for sacrificing to C. Means here this part will be distributed as for this side. Yes. Now here A one third, B one third. So this way, if you want to see that new ratio one third means 1:1:1, old ratio 1:1, easily we can understand the changes, what changes take places here. That is new ratio and old ratio, easily you can find out SR GR. If you want to find out SR and GR, then that situation will be there. SR and GR. SR slash GR, if you want to find out. A old minus new. LCM 6, 3 minus 2, so 1/6, positive, sacrifice. B, same, half minus 1/3, 6, 3 minus 2, 1/6. So this is also sacrifice. We know sacrifice equals to gain. Now C doesn't have old, 0 minus 1/3, LCM 6, 0 minus 2, minus 2/6. This is gain. So here total sacrifice equals to total gain. Usually we can compare the sacrifice equals to gain incoming or not. So if you want to find out sacrificing ratio here, so SR of SR of A is to B, generally old partner will sacrifice, equals to 1/6 is to 1/6, or 1:1. So this is SR, and here we can see 2/6. So this way easily we can solve that type of, like when new admission is there, who are surrendering, who are sacrificing, who are acquiring, who are gaining. That part it is quite important for treatment of goodwill. We have already learned, we have the idea little bit from previous chapter, the same idea, the base is the same. In the same way we can proceed for subsequent chapter also. So next subsequent class we'll go for next subsequent topic. Valuation part 2 we know already, valuation of goodwill. Treatment part we have to know because some new treatment is there. So this way we can easily solve numerical problem from our NCERT book as well as 10-year question paper also. I think so this will help our learner. Thank you. I'm going to conclude this session and have a good day.